Okay, so today we are going to learn how to start pig farm. So if you are beginning, you want to start pig farm, we want to guide you with this interview so you can start with your own pig farm. So if you want to start, like the video, share and subscribe. Okay, please can you introduce yourself?
Okay. First of all, my name is Prince Ibenyega, and you're welcome to Quick Bell Eco Farms.
Okay. Okay, so if somebody is a beginner, you want to start pig, what does he need to start with?
For the person need the land for the project. Then see how the area is, where there is a demand of maybe what he is coming to do. Then after that, the plan of the buildings. At times, some people don't have the money to start the building, so you just do the structure by proper structure. Other than that, the pigs will spoil it. So your land, your area, how the demands are, and now your structure or your buildings, then you start. So after then you get these things, then you go in for your breeds, the breeds. Yeah. So for the breeds, and even though you want to start, you need to have some, like, see to, like, you go under training, study it before, for some time, then you yourself, you put yourself in it. At times people say, oh, pig farm, there is money in it, there is money in it, then they will jump into it, you will lose everything. Yeah.
So you say location. So what location is good for pig?
Okay. Location for the pig, uh like how I said, the area that you see that, oh, there will be a demand for it, because nobody want to do something and has a loss in it. So where you get the demands first, then area, not where maybe waterlog or no, where you can do proper structures, proper building there. Yeah.
So what else that is good for pig?
Okay. The houses, we have two. The two type, one is the concrete form and one is the emo form. The emo form, the reason why we do the emo form, at times where you get the land, there is a lot of buildings around. So because of how you will be scrubbing the place, the scent and all those waters, waste waters, people will be complaining. But for the emo using the sawdust process, that one is scentless, and it makes the animals to look nice. The animals to look nice, and the concrete to, like, for our here we do scrub the concrete 2 times. We clean the place 2 times, morning and evening. But for the IMO, you can clean it every morning, and as well it will serve you as manure also. The IMO, collecting it, the sawdust and the physics, all will serve you like manure also. Yeah.
So after this, so how many pig the person need to start with?
It depends. It depends your capital to start it. For my advice, I'll tell the person, like, you should not go in for more breeds or more pigs to start, because if you treat the pig well, one pig can give you like, give birth like 15 or 17, at least 12 piglet. So in case maybe you go in for 20 animals at the same time, and within the year, this 20, let's say they give you 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, it's 200. You will be out of rooms, out of rooms. So for my advice, the person to start with maybe four. Maybe the person can start with three females, then one male, for the start. Yeah.
So like after the person gets all this thing, what about the feed?
Yeah. The feed, where we have our feed process, how we mix the feed for the person. You need your maize, your wheat bran, your PKC, your soya, your premise, your lysine, at times granite chaff, then then salt as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so this formula is everybody is using the same formula, or your own is different from somebody own.
My own will be different from somebody's own.
Okay.
Be,
So why you go for this formula?
yeah, for my formula that we are using here, it makes the animals grow fast. Uh, they will not be having challenges because at times they need to have protein, carbohydrate in their food. So our formula here, it makes the animals grow very well, healthy as well. Yeah, and it makes them fatless.
Okay. So somebody was watching. Once the person is a beginner, I don't know anything about this. Can you take us through the life cycle for the pig?
Okay. Uh, we do cross. We do our normal crossing for the beginner. At least the guilt. If I talk about the guilt, is the female. So or sow, the sow need to be around 45 kg. 45 kg. Then it will has the ability to carry more piglet. So around 45 kg, you cross the animal in that area. Uh, it's after you cross the animal. The first day you cross the animal, you put your day down for 21 days, which is 3 weeks. If the animal didn't come on heat again, that means the crossing has been successful. So after successful crossing, it will take the animal 3 months, 3 weeks, 3 days for the animal to give birth. So the animal has given birth now. They need to be with their mother breastfeeding. We have the crib feed for the animal for the piglet as well. So after 4 weeks, minimum 4 weeks and maximum 6 weeks, then you wean the animal from their mother. So you take the animal from their mother is the weaning process. So they will go under weaning process for 3 months. Here, that's how we do it. 3 months. Then the 3 months after the 3 months, they enter into the grower stage. The grower stage, another 2 months, then it's going to the finisher stage. So by 6 months, your animal is ready for the market.
So what medication that if they give birth, they will give it to them?
Okay, if they give birth 3 days, the 3 days you give them iron to prevent them from pneumonia and all those stuffs. You give them iron. We repeat the iron 14 days time. That is 2 weeks later after the birth. Yeah. So from time to time, after the weaning, we wean them. The day we wean them, we give them antibiotics, we deworm them. Then 3 days later, we give them multivitamin.
Okay. So how many times do you do me?
The deworming, the general deworming, we do it every 2 months. Every 2 months. We have the artificial one is the injection, and we have some herbs too. We used to add it to their feed. Then it will be deworming them as well. Then the general deworming will be around 2 weeks, 2 months. Yeah.
Okay, so what about the water system?
Yeah. At times people say, oh, like for pigs there, any water they will drink. No, pigs should take clean water. The more water the pigs take, the more it helps the body because pigs they have heat in their body. So taking excess water will reduce the heat in them. So you see, as you came here, they are all sleeping. They are not maybe in the bed or something. Eh. So for them to get clean and enough water, it helps them also.
So how many times do you bath them?
Okay, for those on the concrete, every 3 months we bath them. We use the pressure hose to bath them. But for those on the IMO, because that place is the sawdust and it keep them clean, them at least every 4 months Then we bring them out on the concrete. Then we give them the pressure hose as well.
So what did you that normal affect them?
Okay, worms are they are uh, common parasite that affect them. Worms for pigs, worms do affect them. Worms.
Okay. So what medication that you give to them?
Okay, that's why we deworm them every 2 months. Every 2 months, that's how we deworm them. And the dewormers too, we have different types of dewormers. So we have our type of dewormer that we use here. That's why I said at times too we have herbs that we add to their food to help them fight the worms.
How many times do you bath the face?
Okay, the pigs we do bath them every weekend, every week. So we choose every weekend, then we will bath them every weekend, every weekend. Yeah.
Is it profitable?
Okay. It's profitable for the person to seek for advice before going to it. You just jump. You don't just jump and go into it like, oh, it's profitable, so I want to do it. No, you seek for advice, guidance, then we will guide you. So if the person contact us, we can guide the person as well.
So like, so that would be on phone or where?
You can contact us on phone. Yeah.
So once I'm beginning and I can, you said when we give them back.
We deworm them by injection and to add some to their feed as well.
So once I'm beginning, how can I do the lesson?
That's why I say you should seek for advice, then guidance. More times we do have a vet officer who used to come here. And we also, as well as we are eco farm, we have the ideas of how to inject them as well.
Okay. How many times the birds come here?
The vet every month, the vet is here. Every month the vet do come inspection.
Okay. So the food like a day, what? How many times they eat?
We feed them 2 times a day, twice a day. But for pigs, they eat according to their body weight. So we don't just give them the food. No.
Okay. So for the winning stage to the grower. Okay. So currently, what breed that you have for you?
Okay, currently we are having Oxford Sandy. We have large white. Then we have Landrace. Then we have some to their crossbreed. If I say crossbreed, maybe Duroc cross Landrace, Duroc cross maybe large white, Camro. Then we have Camro too as well. Yeah.
Okay. So once the person is a beginning, what breed that you advise the person to start with?
Okay, for the beginner, I will advise the beginner for the large white because the large white is the common one everybody know. And the large whites too, they do give birth to more piglets, at least 12 piglets. They can give birth to 12 piglets at least and more. Yeah.
Okay. So the winning stage one, that one will be how much?
The winning stage, that one, as if the person is starting it with, want to start the farm, that one we have the special breed for them. Like as I said, I will advise the person for to go in for large white. Eh, For here we have the large white. That's we have specialized for those people that they can start with. So if you come here, we have some for you. Costless. Yeah. Let me.
If I can we know your price for a year?
Okay. The price is from for the winner stage is from 800 to 1,005. The reason why I'm saying that is the breed type. Each breed and its price. So from 800 to 1,005. Yeah.
And so the if the meat one too.
For the meat one, we do sell it in kilos. So 30 cedi per kilo.
Okay. Okay. So what mean of inbreeding?
So if we say inbreeding, inbreeding is maybe a pig and the same mother giving birth to like 10 pigs, and the male is crossing the female, the same mother. That one is not good. The breed will not be, it will not stand. Yeah, it will not stand. It's not good for the same mother piglet to cross maybe the sister. Let me say it like that. A brother to cross their sister. No.
Okay. So please your telephone number and your location.
Yeah. The telephone number is 0599 884092. It's working 24/7. Anytime you will call, you will get it. The location is, we are in Accra under Ningo Pampram, Dawa, around the Dawa Industrial Zone. If you now call the number, we will give you the directions.
Okay. So if somebody is outside Accra, can you do delivery to the person?
Yes, we can do, and we do. At times, the person we kill, then we slaughter it, then we send it to the person.
Okay. Why? The slaughter will come different cost.
The slaughtering, you have a slaughtering fee. You have a slaughtering fee. Then we will deliver it to you.
Okay. So if you are watching, you want to start pig, you can buy the video, share and subscribe.